Hi guys, and welcome to episode 79, Chaffles for Life, Vanilla Cheddar Cheese Chaffles. Now these came out really great and really simple to make, and again it could be any kind of cheese of your choice as long as it's shredded cheese. So we took a half a cup of shredded cheese and just kind of like eyeballed it to what I thought was a half a cup because I only had a little bit left in the bag. Then I took 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I mixed it all in together, and I was just eyeballing the extract. I think a little more might have fallen out of the container than 1 teaspoon, but it's okay. We still ate them anyways. And this yielded 2 Chaffles, and then I ended up, after we made them at the end, I put them on a cooling rack and I put them on a paper plate. And then I added a little bit of blueberries, and then I was going to add that Choc Zero maple syrup that I have on hand. But then I thought, okay, well, why don't we do something different and use the Smucker's sugar-free jam that I had, and that was grape jam. And that worked out really well with the blueberries, because I don't like to throw anything out if I can help it. And again, to clean your mini dash up there, all you got to do is just put a damp paper towel over it, close the lid, and it's good to go on the next one. And then I cleaned it up really well before I start making another one. But these came out really great. I hope you've been enjoying these videos. And I had a request to do voiceovers on these because there's some people that have problems with the, just watching music and they don't understand. So, apologize for that. And I guess from now on, if you're happy with my voice, I'll go ahead and do it this way. Back then, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. From this point on, it's pretty much simple. Just watch the video and you guys should be fine. And I hope you guys have an amazing day and stay safe, stay cool, stay healthy, and every day.